Welcome guys, Tech Collector here. For today's work log, mag-i-install kami ng DE6 kW solar hybrid inverter. Pero as on-grid setup lang muna. Then paired with 12 pieces, 610 watts Trina solar panel for a total of 7,320 watts.
Freak you as soon as it can be. I wanna know, you leaving with your friends after this, or you coming with me? You don't think I can keep up? Tell me, what does that mean? We could go fast or slow, either way. After this, but you wanna freak me? I said you should just let me freak you. I said you should just. I said you should just let me freak you. I said you should just. I said you should just let me freak you. I said you.
Teko ko kayo baso.
Ito na po yung output namin sa 12 pieces na 610 watts na solar panel. Ang setup po namin dito ay 6S at saka 2P. Ito naman po ang sa aming inverter. At saka ito yung dalawang string na galing sa solar panel natin. Then makikita nyo na on-grid lang talaga siya. Wala siyang wire ng battery cables at saka sa load side. Sa settings naman po, ito naman po siya. Battery modes niya is no battery. Then naka-disable po yung activate battery. Then makikita nyo po na naka-zero export to CT siya. Pero nakalimutan kong ilipat yung energy pattern. Then for sa time of use naman ay naka-disable lang siya. Dahil on-grid naman yung setup natin. Naman po sa grid settings. Wala na po tayong binago sa mga settings dyan. Dito lang po sa basic, which is lock all changes. Ang gamit naman po niyan is para po hindi basta-basta mapaglaruan yung mga settings natin. Hindi basta-basta nababago yung setup. Ito naman po yung mga mini circuit breakers natin. Yung ginamit lang natin ay DC isolator at saka isang AC circuit breaker with SPD para sa control. Ito naman po ang stress test namin. Total load po natin is 5,700 watts. Then sa solar harvest naman is 4,520 lang. Dahil medyo maulap po dito sa amin ngayon as of recording. Next upgrade naman po dito is yung battery na. At kasya dito yung tatlong Hygiene na 1 solar 280 Ah na battery. Hanggang dito na lang po muna ang aming video. Maraming salamat po sa iyong panonood.